Yo guys, I will show you how you can get the voice chat on Roblox. And this is my alt account and I have voice chat over here. And I'm gonna create a new account so I can show a proof. Okay? And then you need to click. I'm gonna create my account, a new account, log out away. And then create my account. Set this to January 1, 2000, January 1, 2012. And then put your need to put your custom your name. I'm gonna write my name and then cancel. And I'm gonna put my password. After that, click done, save, and then go to go to more and then go up, scroll down and account info, and then you need to add your email. Okay, after you put your email, go to go verify it has been sent. Okay, then see this new message, click it. After you click it, go click verify. You have been verify your account and go to Roblox again. And then go click more and then click settings, click account info. Okay, and then click continue with selfie. Don't continue with ID. Continue with selfie. Click continue with selfie, guys. And then click OK. Watch until the end. If you don't watch it and you will be you will get the okay. That's right, guys.
Behave accordingly. Not to worry, my dears. I'm here to reform you once and for all. Don't breathe it in. You'll turn into babies. Well, now, no time to dawdle. Time to reform the scuttlebug next.
Okay, guys. Wait. I'm struggling. And then we estimate your age is between 13 and 15. You can use chat and party pictures with people in similar age groups and collaborate in the studio. After that, you may have the voice chat. See, guys, as you can see, I have the voice chat, guys. Lastly, you have to be 13 years old. And then I'm gonna try joining a voice chat server. Click this, guys. You need to don't say anything that don't swear because you if you swear in voice chat your voice will suspend. So don't swear. Right? I'm a little lag. Guys, I'm gonna change my. See, guys. Hey. Hello. Hello. Watching, guys.